Dexter is in the 9th grade and taking biology. Tina is in the 9th grade and taking biology. Desmond is in the 9th grade and taking biology, so you conclude all 9th graders take biology. We have to determine if this is inductive or deductive reasoning. Remember, inductive reasoning is based off of observation or pattern and goes from specific cases to a general conclusion. Deductive reasoning uses facts and rules, and it goes from a general rule and applies it to specific cases. If I look at this example, I see 3 different people in the 9th grade taking biology. This is an observation. This is a pattern I see, and it goes from 3 specific people to a general conclusion. So this would be an example of inductive reasoning. Then we have to determine if this conclusion is valid. Is it true or false? Well, let's think. I see 3 people in 9th grade and taking biology, so I conclude all 9th graders take biology. Well, if you think about, are there any other students that could take biology? Sure. Maybe a 10th grader is taking it because they failed it last year. Maybe a 9th grader took another course and took biology in their 10th grade year. Maybe they took the course out of order. So there are many reasons why this conclusion is not valid. It is not necessarily true for all 9th graders.